Mike, it's the last day, CES. We finally made it over here to the show floor. LG is right here with their crazy waterfall tunnel looking thing. You ready to go find some cool shit?
Let's rage.
BPS Custom's coverage of CES 2019 in Las Vegas is made possible by Computer Upgrade King. Whether you need an entry-level gaming PC, a reliable workstation, or a beastly streaming setup, CUK has you covered. Featuring the latest AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA components, friendly personalized service, international shipping, and a 3-year warranty. If you're in the market for a pre-built of any kind, check out Computer Upgrade King at the link in the video description.
Mike, we just left the LG exhibit. That was pretty crazy over there.
That was nuts. Like any of the images that y'all have seen of the curved display going in, they don't do it justice. Absolutely beautiful, the image clarity on those curved displays.
Yeah, it was like a giant waterfall. You were like standing inside of a waterfall, and then that roll-up TV also. That was just kind of came out of absolutely nowhere.
Literally out of nowhere. Like you see it coming up, and then like all like the display in the backdrop. On the backdrop is reacting to the displays as they're coming up, and once again, LG is like killing it with image quality on these ultra thin panels.
Yeah, man, that was awesome. All right, let's see what else we get into.
Yep.
So Mike, you just had your first VR experience. We were over in the Sony booth and you checked out the PlayStation VR, right?
Yeah. I mean, obviously visually that wasn't as crispy as it would have been on like a PC or anything like that. But as far as playability, really smooth, really intuitive, really fun experience.
Yeah, you look like you were having a good time. That footage was pretty crazy.
Yeah,
all right, we're gonna head over. We're gonna check out InWin. You guys will probably see that in a separate video, but after that, we gotta wander around a whole lot more. This place is just enormous. So much to see. You know, every year this display is here, and every year it freaks me the F out. Come on. So Mike, your first CES is a wrap. That's it, we're done. We're walking around this hall and we have hit the end, literally. Did you have a good time?
Oh, it was a blast. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is all extremely hard work. All the content creators that come here, they bust their ass for you guys, but absolutely a blast, and I'm honored to have been a part of it.
Awesome, man. Hope you come back next year.
Absolutely.
Thanks guys for watching our CES 2019 content. Las Vegas, we're out of here.
Thank you to Electronics for providing our editing systems for CES 2019. Check them out below.